PTO today announced that it's partnering with World Triathlon to deliver an international non-draft sister series to the existing draft legal World Triathlon Championship Series. The PTO, if you didn't know, is not paid time off. It's the Professional Triathlon Organization. They are a partially athlete-owned entity that supports non-drafting professional triathletes. They contribute resources to give professional triathletes a collective voice and agency, helping support to grow and thrive our sport. They just announced that next year they're going to be expanding to up to 10 events, accumulating into the crown of the official 100-kilometer World Championship. This partnership will not make like an extended weekend kind of series where you race events on Thursday to Sunday. The races will be announced this fall, hopefully, and will be at new venues to draw amateur athletes like myself who would love to participate. Have you ever raced at a venue with professional triathletes? Comment below. I know I signed up for Ironman Arizona in 2022 because there was professional women racing in 2021, and I thought either the professional women or the professional men would be there the next year. I was wrong. One of the venues for next year is already announced. One of the events for next year is already announced. It's in Singapore. It's the PTO Asian Open. It's going on this weekend, August 19th and 20th. Comment below if you'd be interested in a live video reaction of me watching the race with you. So you might be asking yourself, is this an Ironman race, a long distance world championship triathlon event? No, they're actually slightly different. There's different distances for each of the races. So if you look at an Ironman, it's going to be a 3.9 mile swim, 180 kilometer bike, and a 42 kilometer run. For 70.3, it's going to be half of that. And the PTO is only a 2K swim, an 80K bike, and an 18K run. I say only, but it's 100 kilometers. So this is shorter than a 70.3, but it's longer than an Olympic. So why would someone choose to do this distance? This PTO event favors strong cyclists slightly over the other formats. It is also a shorter race, so you won't need to be doing those 4-hour bike rides on the weekend and the 15-mile runs that you would need to train for an Ironman. I know I'm definitely interested in it, even though my strong suit is swimming, then biking, then running. During this announcement, the PTO also confirmed that it's going to still maintain that multi-lap bike and run course, and this is going to be the blueprint for all the races in 2024. I remember how amazing it was when I was able to do Arizona. There's 3 loops of the bike, 3 loops of the run, and my wife was actually able to see me all over the place, and it was awesome. My wife also did the 70.3 in Hawaii on our honeymoon, and I was able to be the Sherpa and follow her around the course a lot. My wife also did the 70.3 in Hawaii, and on the run course there, you could go to a couple different spots, not have to move around too much, and watch your athlete move around the run course a lot. Amateurs will be able to compete in this series, represent their country, and have a great time doing it. Let me know your thoughts on the PTO and World Triathlon coming together to make these events possible next year. Are you going to sign up for a race? I think I am. If you like this video, then click on this video where I talk with a professional triathlete on her journey